Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can pay credit card bill on CIBC app. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, all you gotta do is simply open up your CIBC app on your phone, and right afterwards make sure you're signed in as well. Now go ahead, tap on this profile icon on top left corner and tap on this option of bill payments below my accounts. As soon as you open that, you will find this kind of interface which will show you your existing payee and your last payments. And if your credit card bill pay already exists, you can tap on that. If it's not, tap on this option add payee at the bottom. Once you have tapped on add payee, go ahead, search the type of credit card fares. For example, we have search Visa, which for we like to prefer CIBC. Right now we will get the CIBC over here search results as well. Go ahead, tap on of which one you would like to pay and then select it. Then from over here, go ahead, add in the nickname if you would like for the next process. Otherwise, add in the details. Your payee name is given right over here. Your account number is required. Your account number format, check it out. You can also check up sample if you would like. Otherwise, tap on OK at the bottom right. Then go ahead, add in the amount on top, and again check out the pay if you would like, and then check out the account, the date, and how often. If you would like to add how many times you would be doing. And once you're done adding all of the information, tap on OK at the bottom right, and you will be able to simply pay for the CIBC credit card bill, and that is it. So I hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.